Hi, welcome to video blog number 2. As you can tell, I'm walking out in the woods, and you might be saying to yourself, why is a video making nerd like me hiking through the woods? I might be thinking the same thing. But the truth is, somewhere around here there's supposed to be a waterfall, and I've got my new Canon 7D and wanted to take some pictures of that waterfall. Just seemed like a really nice thing to do, test this camera out, so we'll see how it goes. After hiking for about 16 hours, I'm starting to hear some pretty good waterfall sounds. Not really, this trail's only about 2-minute hike. Anyway, I believe I'm here. It's up here somewhere. I'll find it. So this is not the place I was trying to find, but I hear a lot of water, and it seems like there might be some kind of cave down here. So, after a bit of a climb, I made it down this hill and found this little pool down here. A bit of a waterfall and this little cave. I bet nobody's even been here before. I'm gonna try and get around so I can get a better view. Time to use the Canon 7D to shoot this waterfall. So I know things are never quite as intense whenever you're watching this on the computer, but this place is pretty awesome. Climb down right up there and check out how clear this water is. I love places like this. Well, that was fun. Took a while, but got some nice shots and broke a sweat. Got to see something that very few people will ever see, I imagine. If you wanted to find that exact spot again, you'd probably have to have me show you, because it's definitely out of the way. The trail I'm on, which you can see is kind of run down, is part of the Woody Ridge Trail on the Black Mountains in a little town called Silo, North Carolina. So I was just walking back to the car when I stumbled upon two people, and one of them had a trash bag, and they were gathering something called galax, and pretty sure it's illegal to gather them. People use them in their decorative wreaths and stuff, especially around Christmas time, and I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to have a bag out, just collecting as many as you can find. I think they sell for a reasonable price, so anyway, you never know what you'll find out here. So what do I think about my first real test run of the Canon 7D? Well, it's heavy after about 30 minutes of hiking. I don't have a bag for it yet, but I think that would be very handy. When you're going over lots of steep rocks, I would say put it down first, especially when you're in the stream and those rocks have lots of slippery spots. So you'd hate to drop this camera. Focus is extremely fast. I love the stabilization on it, especially this lens that I've got, the 24 to 105 millimeter. It's very nice. But so for the most part, it's just like the perfect camera. I'll have to try out all the features that it has, but it's really nice. So that was kind of a failed attempt at finding that waterfall. So I'm gonna drive to the next road over and go to the end of that, because I'm wondering if maybe I'm on the wrong road. still fun. Found a nice waterfall, but not the one I was looking for. Alright, so 10 more minutes of driving, and I found the place I was looking for with the waterfall. And there's no hike involved, you just park and you're there. The last time I was here was right at 12 years ago, so I'm actually excited to see this place. We made it! Isn't it gorgeous? Oh wait, there it is. Well guys, that's the end of today's vlog show. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, but probably not, since you're sitting at home or at work watching this on YouTube. I'm trying to keep this show somewhat entertaining so that people will come back, and trying to mix it up a bit, so I figured that going to a couple waterfalls might be entertaining, because not everybody gets to do that right outside their back door. I mean, from my house, this is probably about 15 minutes. It's a mud puddle! Hello, holy tree! Guys, I was walking along and I saw a creature that I've not seen in a long time, and I've snuck up on it. Here. Check it out. It's a Bud Light. Run! So if you want to go to this waterfall, and I recommend that you do, what you're going to want to do is go to Highway 80 and then turn on White Oak Road and just go to the very end of the road and you'll find the waterfall. It's awesome. Go check it out.